Hello. Found these in the freezer. Sounds really good. Zucchini? I'm actually gonna cook it this time. I definitely should have washed this. There's like dirt and poop all over my fingers. I'm gonna do it with this soft nutty oat. I'm not gonna cook it because it would go better with the salmon. I'm really hungry, so I'm gonna eat these. These are all the seasonings: cilantro, chives, celery, salt, dill, parsley, onion powder. I gotta fix that. And Old Bay. This lemon looks gross. Oil in the pan. Butter in the pan. Throw these bad boys in there. Boom, 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 boom. That's probably good. Gotta leave this guy out for now. Flip. Ow. Ow. Ouch. Ow. There you go. Flip. Ow. I like my vegetables to be a little crunchy, so those are cooked enough for me. Salmon burger. Oh, I forgot I had QB mayo. These bad boys are definitely getting toasted. Fuck! I double flipped it too. There you go. Put all the seasonings in my little teacup, so good. I'm gonna try one. Oh my god, that's really good. Oh yeah, shit, the lemon. Oh my god, it's spilling on the floor. Alright, that's ready. There you go. Okay. Bam, bam. Ew. Flip. Ooh, that's beautiful. Flip. There you go. Oh, that's hot. Okay. Yeah, that looks good. Salmon burger. I'm gonna top it with like that and that. A little bit more oil. Hell yeah. Oh, 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 oh. This stuff. No! No! Oh my god, no. Hot! Hot! Get on there. Get on there. Ooh. Throw the last little bit of seasoning on top of the egg. That's a lot. Smear it. Sublimo. Right there. I also have sauerkraut right there, but I'm gonna wait on that. I don't know if I want it or not. It's really salty. This is meal. It's gorgeous.